Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. I wanted to share something with you because MacGyver, I want to take you inside the casa and I want to get something. I have a gimbal. Currently my mic is on it, but I wanted to show you something. I got an action cam here, but it doesn't work on the gimbal. Your motor get completely confused. So I got myself een apparatus. Dit is een hoesje van een phone. And then you can fake the in thinking of he has a telephone, but it's a smartphone. So I cut a hole in it and I fit it one in. And now my gimbal thinks he has a phone, but it's not. It's an action cam. So we're gonna try that one out so we get some motion. Thank you for watching, and do it on the cheap side with MacGyver solutions. I love it very much. Like in detail, cocktail prickers, wood, glue them in, harden it, stay in it, and in the underside I got a bolt for the counterbalance. Works perfectly. I will take a shot of it when it's in, okay? Un momento, por favor. Well guys, take a look at that. It's in and it's working. So now turn it around. And he is also doing the horsey-tail also at this moment, but if I want to I can do it like this. Yes. Mucho gracias. Un momento, por favor. W126 live. Hope you like and subscribe. Get the dog. Compadre. Oh, another compadre. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And then we're gonna do a test drive.